All right, this is Mr. Freegan helping you guys with some math homework. So this is Tuesday, week 3. Question number 1 says, what is the product of 34 and 22? So we have to think about that word, product. So what does product mean? Well, that is an answer to I can type in here, an answer to a multiplication question. Okay? So our product just means we're going to multiply these two numbers together. So we have 34 times 22, right? And what I like to do is I line it up a little differently, right? This is how we do it now. And then we just have that line under, right? And then I'm going to do the standard algorithm because that's what most of us are used to. So I'm going to go 2 times 4, which is 8. Now 2 times 3, which is 6. And remember to try to keep your numbers nice and neat and under each other, right? Because math is about being organized. Alright, so I'm done with this first number. Because I already did that one. So now I'm going to the next one. And since I'm there, I need to add a placeholder. And I do it again. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then you need to add, and you'll have your answer. I'm just going to stop right here so you guys can finish it and get the answer yourselves. All right, question 2 says, Louise makes $5 for each dog that she walks. Last week she made $85. So how many dogs did she walk? So if she gets $5 for each of the dogs that she walks, well, here we have Louise with her dogs, right? So she gets 5 for each dog she walks. She made a total of $85. So what we have to do is take 85, and we know that each one costs $5, so we have to divide it, right? Because it's split up. 85 is being split up by $5. So we're just going to put 85 divided by 5. And then we can work it up. We'll work it out. So those that you guys remember, how many times can 5 go into 8? And does it go in there? It sure does. It goes 1 time. So then we're left with 5 right here. And then you're going to subtract. Alright. Sorry, ignore this. And we're left with 3, right? The next step is to bring down our 5. And this becomes 35. So I'll stop right there. I'll let you guys finish the question. Alright, this next question says this is supposed to say compare right here. Compare the numbers below using less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have these two numbers, 13 and 25 hundredths, or 13.25, and 13.205. So which one of these is bigger is what we're trying to figure out. My biggest clue for you is to imagine this last number isn't there and then figure out, which one's bigger. Alright, I'll let you guys decide. And remember that these little less than or equal to signs, they want to eat, right? They want to eat they're like little teeth. They want to eat the bigger number. Alright. It's like Pac-Man, right? Kind of scary. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to scare you guys on your homework, but sometimes homework can be scary. Alright, so for question number 4 and 5, it's the same thing. You need to line up your decimal because we are adding and subtracting, right? We're adding and subtracting decimals, or numbers with decimals in it. So how do I know that? Well, over here it says the sum, and sum, hopefully you guys remember, sum means addition. So sum equals plus sign, right? So the first thing you're going to do is just write your number at 4.56 and then 13. Where's my decimal on a 13? Well, it's always after the number. So I'm going to put it after the number if I needed to. And actually I do need to, because 13 would go here, right? Line up my decimal. You guys see how I did that? See how they're lined up, right? And then add the zeros if I need to, and I do. I'm gonna add 2 zeros here. Turn them back to green. There we go. And then you just do normal addition that I'm sure you guys can handle. And then solve for your problem, and then bring down your decimal. It's going to be lined up again. So at the end, you're just going to put your decimal right down where it belongs. It's going to still be in a line. All right, you're doing the same thing for this one. 82, you're going to add a decimal and add your zeros if needed. All right, you guys are on your own. That's question 4 and 5. Good luck. Make sure you bring your homework tomorrow.